Dear students and teachers, welcome to Third Language English 10th class YouTube channel. Poem 2, The Tiger and the Deer. In this poem, you can see two more questions and answers. Question number 1, what does the poet compare the tiger and the deer? Answer, the poet compares the tiger to be the strong, cruel, mighty, harm beauty, and the deer to be the mild, harmless, innocent beauty. Question number 2. How does the tiger attack its prey? Answer, the tiger attack its prey by crouching, slouching, and creeping silently through the bushes. Third question, how does the poet describe the physical appearance of the tiger in the poem The Tiger and the Deer? Answer, the poet describes the physical appearance of the tiger as it has gleaming eyes, mighty chest, and soft, soundless paws. Question number 4. What does the deer stand for in the poem The Tiger and the Deer? Answer, the deer stands for mild, harmless, innocent beauty. It also stands for the peace. Question number 5. Pick out the words used by the poet to describe the nature of the tiger, or how did the poet Sri Aurobindo explain the nature of the tiger? Answer, the words used by the poet Sri Aurobindo explain or describe the nature of the tiger are brilliant, pitiless, strong, mighty, and cruel. According to the poet Sri Aurobindo, what would happen to the mighty and weak in the future? According to the poet Sri Aurobindo, in the future, mighty destroy and the weak will survive on the earth. Seventh question, how did the deer die? Answer, when the deer went to drink the water from the pool, it was suddenly attacked by the cruel tiger. The deer died remembering its mate, which was there deep in the forest. Question number 8. What does the tiger stand for in this poem The Tiger and the Deer? Answer, the tiger stands for strong, cruel, mighty, and harm beauty. To get more videos for other lessons, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, download and share to your friends.